Welcome to Business Designer Video Series 3 on interactive document writing. Customer support clerks create, edit and deliver interactive documents, serial letters and others in the web client, on mobile and in the Papyrus i desktop application. In the sign-off process, supervisors perform quality assurance checks on documents and request changes before approving them for delivery. Operations managers gain detailed insights into production and delivery statistics using the Papyrus reporting and analytics solution. With the Papyrus multi-channel print and e-delivery solution, one document source can be delivered to different output channels like print, email, and social media. In this video, we will focus on document writing. Customer support clerk Bill works with core business applications and writes personalized documents in the Papyrus web client. Customer data are dynamically loaded into documents using any of the many Papyrus adapters, like REST web services. This synchronizes and enhances data with CRM and lead management applications. Documents designed in the last video series are now easily used in Bill's daily work. After a phone call with a customer, Bill initiates a new document which is automatically created in the account representative's inbox. He edits the template according to the call, adds a homepage variable, and spell checks a mistyped word. Additionally, he adds a product logo that he talked about with the customer and asks his supervisor in a comment what he thinks about the product recommendation. He goes ahead and finishes the document and sends it over to the supervisor for sign-off, which will be the topic of the next video. The same customer also provided personal information and a credit loan request that Bill starts to work on. He chooses the right template and starts to type the information into the wizard. After being interrupted with other tasks, he later on picks up his work from a different location by just logging into the application via a browser. He seamlessly continues exactly where he left off in the desktop application, enters missing data, and finishes the work. The final document can be reviewed at any time. Alternatively, everything could have been directly filled out by the customer, either on a website integrating with the web client, or on the Papyrus Enterprise mobile app. After filling out the wizard form steps on mobile, customers can immediately go ahead and sign the document directly on the mobile device using the digital signature solution Papyrus Sign. It ensures a fast, certified, and convenient signing process and entirely eliminates the need for printing of documents. In addition, digital signatures offer improved performance and quality. Bill now wants to create a serial letter. He chooses a template from the document library and uploads data from an external application. He skips through the data of different people to see if everything works as intended. In the document structure, he decides to get rid of the invoices because they are not needed in the serial letter. Furthermore, he adds terms and conditions as an attachment to the document and sends it off to a supervisor. In the next video, we will focus on the sign-off process.